In this video, I will show you how to get a job at UPS. So what you need to do first is you need to open up your browser or any browser and then just type in UPS and then jobs. And after you do that, you will find this option saying search jobs and careers at UPS. And then you need to click on this. And then you can just search for a job title, category or skill. And then you can enter your city, state or zip. And you can also click on featured jobs. And these are jobs that are featured by UPS themselves. And UPS also has this option when you scroll down to get hired in 10 minutes without any interview. And this is for really urgent jobs, so you can just go ahead and click on apply now right away, and then you can go through the process. But if you want to search for a country, then you can just go ahead and fill that in here. And let's say we want to filter for United States. Then we're going to click on United States, and then we're going to click on search jobs. And once we do that, we will find this page where we can find all of the jobs that are currently available in the United States. We can also select the state. So you can just select California, then you will see the number behind it that's indicating how many jobs are available in there. So 23 in California. Then you can also select the city, so go ahead and do that. Or you can just go ahead and look through all the jobs that are available. So if you find one that you want to apply for, let's say this ramp supervisor, you're going to click on this, and then you will find every detail of this job, the description, all the qualifications that are necessary, what the employment type is going to be. And after that, you find this option to apply now. So go ahead and click on this if you want to apply. And then you will see the job description again, and then you will be redirected through a portal. And then you need to click on apply again. And then you have an option to autofill with resume, apply manually, use your last application, apply with Seek, or apply with LinkedIn. So go ahead and select any option. And after you do that, go ahead and follow the flow. And once you follow the flow, you will in the end submit your application, and you need to fill in your personal details with CV, motivation letter, and resumes. So that is how you do it. That is how you get a job at UPS. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.